PinaLove Dating App. So let's talk about PinaLove Dating App. PinaLove Dating App is a dating site mainly used by men seeking for a relationship with Filipino women, with most male users age around 24 to 34 and female users age around 18 to 30. It includes a notable number of transgender individuals, and most users are from the UK, USA, Canada, Australia, and Germany. The application or the site is very easy to use. If you're using the website, you can just simply go with the official website, go and register your account, or if you're using the application, just install it on your device and then open up your PinaLove. And once you open it up, you need to go with Join PinaLove if you don't have an account, and then continue with your Google or your email. Or if you already have an account, you can just simply go with Login, which will be on the bottom, and then log into your account. So I'll just simply go with Join and then create an account. I'll continue with my Google account. Now you need to choose your username and then go with Continue and add a photo. The profile creation offers various search filters and has communication options with limits for free members and unlimited messaging for paid members. The app is available on iOS but may have limited Android access. PinaLove primarily serves Western men looking for Filipino women. Users should be aware of potential scams and fake profiles. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.